If your nails break the minute they grow, which frustrates you because it holds you back from growing the beautiful, feminine, natural nails you desire, then in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 secret things causing your nails to break and how to fix it so you can grow beautiful, feminine, natural nails just like my clients. So the first thing causing your nails to break is the nail hardener. And I know you might be saying, what on earth are you talking about, Ash? This is the #1 product I see recommended to grow beautiful feminine nails. And it's valid to think that, but here's a secret thing they don't tell you about what this product actually does. Nail hardeners don't actually make your nails stronger. What they do instead is they make your nails so hard they break even more easily. In fact, the other day when I was on a nail consultation call, I was talking with a client about her nail history, and she mentioned that when she used a nail hardener, her nails would be super duper hard for a couple of weeks, but then they would become very, very breakable. So right now, if your nails are breaking and you're using a nail hardener, I highly recommend that you stop. Instead, the key to actually getting stronger nails is to do a weekly nail oil soak. And just like you have deep moisturizing masks for your hair, this is a deep moisturizing mask for your nails. You pour some olive oil, mix some lemon juice, and soak your nails in this for 10 minutes. The second thing causing your nails to break is not wearing dish gloves. As a nail health coach, I cannot stress this enough. No matter how many products you use, if your nails are constantly being stripped by soap and water, they will peel and break. And that is why protecting your nails and wearing dish gloves is key. In fact, I had a client who did not believe me. She wasn't wearing dish gloves. She thought it was just woo-woo nail care. But once she actually started wearing dish gloves, her nails went from peeling and breaking like this to actually thriving. So again, I highly recommend putting dish gloves in places you clean so you don't forget. But again, it's key to protecting your nails because no matter how much products are being put on your nails, if they're constantly being stripped, they will not grow. Number 3, going to the nail salon. And I know this is a tough one. Even though the nail salon makes your nails look really pretty on the outside, practices like buffing and filing the nails unfortunately thin them out, which causes a lot of breakage. So even if you try to give your nails a break, if you keep going back and forth to the nail salon, you're constantly going to be on this constant cycle of growth and breakage. And if you don't believe me, I had a client a while back who was making amazing progress in her nail journey. She finally grew the white part of her nails without them breaking, but decided to go back to the nail salon to get a summer manicure. And with one regular manicure, they completely thinned her nails with a buffing block, and all the progress she has been working towards went away within a matter of 2 weeks. So again, it doesn't take much. And if you keep going back and forth to the nail salon, you are not going to grow the beautiful feminine nails you desire. And if you are currently experiencing thinness or breakage in the nail salon, I highly recommend doing a weekly nail oil soak with jojoba oil. This is a really deep penetrating oil that will rejuvenate your nails. Number 4, having a vitamin D deficiency. One thing I preach constantly is that nail growth is both internal and external. No matter how many products you use, if your body is not getting the nutrients they need, your nails will not thrive. I remember about a couple years ago, I had a client come to me who was using a bunch of cuticle oils, but their nails were still breaking. After having a discussion with her, she also mentioned that she was always feeling really tired. And I was like, maybe go to a doctor and check your vitamin levels. Turns out she had a vitamin D deficiency, and once her doctor prescribed her a multivitamin, her nails were thriving. So again, if you have been using all the products, you've been really, really consistent, and your nails are really weak and not growing, I highly, highly recommend that you talk with a doctor and get on a multivitamin so your nails thrive. Number 5, using a rough nail file, and this one is sneaky. Even though all nail files look the same, unfortunately, they are not. There are really rough nail files meant for fake nails and soft ones meant for natural nails. If you accidentally use a rough nail file on your natural nails, you're going to notice a lot of splitting and jagging when you file your nails. And unfortunately, I have experienced this. These were my nails a few years ago, and as you can see, they were jagged and split from the top because I was using the wrong nail file. But once I made the switch to a glass nail file, which is a lot softer and doesn't cause your nails to jag and split, my nails are nice and smooth. So if you're experiencing splitting and jagging on the top of your nails, I highly recommend that you switch to a softer glass nail file. Now, if you are unsure what is still going on with your nails and you would like more personalized guidance, then I recommend that you join the Effortless Nail Experience waitlist linked below.